Hey Drop Tech fans, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the OnePlus 13, and let me tell you, this phone is setting new benchmarks in the smartphone world. With some jaw-dropping updates, this isn't just another flagship, it's a game changer. So, buckle up, because you're about to see why the OnePlus 13 is the phone everyone's talking about. Stunning design, a premium upgrade. Let's start with the design. OnePlus has always impressed us with their sleek aesthetics, but this time, they've truly outdone themselves. The OnePlus 13 features a brand new ceramic back that not only looks premium but feels incredibly durable. Alongside this, you'll notice a display with even thinner bezels, giving it a modern and immersive look. And here's the kicker, the punch-hole camera? Practically invisible, thanks to what they're calling stealth vision. If you're someone who values cutting-edge design, this phone might just blow you away. A display that shines bright. Moving on to the display, and wow, this is where things get exciting. The OnePlus 13 comes with a 6.7-inch AMOLED LTPO 4.0 display. The adaptive refresh rate can shift between 1 Hz and 120 Hz, making every interaction buttery smooth. But what's truly groundbreaking? A peak brightness of 2600 nits. That means even under harsh sunlight, your screen will remain crystal clear. For those who love binge-watching shows or gaming, this display offers an experience like no other. Performance like never before. Let's pop the hood and see what's powering this beast. The OnePlus 13 is equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. The result? A lightning-fast phone that can handle multitasking, gaming, and heavy workloads effortlessly. OnePlus also enhanced the cooling system, so you can say goodbye to overheating during those long gaming sessions. If you're excited about these specs, now's the perfect time to smash that subscribe button for more tech updates. Cameras for creators. OnePlus partnered with Hasselblad again to deliver a top-tier camera setup. The OnePlus 13 boasts a triple lens system, including a 64MP main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 32MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom. Thanks to advanced AI enhancements, your photos will look stunning, even in low-light conditions. For video enthusiasts, this phone supports 8K recording with Dolby Vision HDR. Whether you're a casual snapper or a content creator, the OnePlus 13 has you covered. Battery and charging, a new standard. Finally, let's talk about battery life and charging. With a 5200 mAh battery, this phone easily lasts over a day of heavy use. And when it's time to charge, you're in for a treat. 150W wired charging can get you a full charge in under 20 minutes. It also supports 50W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging for added convenience. OnePlus didn't just aim for good, they aimed for exceptional. So, there you have it. OnePlus 13 is rewriting what we expect from a flagship smartphone. From its premium design to powerhouse performance and next-level cameras, this phone is a complete package. What do you think of the OnePlus 13? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech content. Also, click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.